Hi everybody, this is Jennifer with Seasonal Navigation Organizing. I wanted to show you a tip on how to organize your desktop. So what I have done is created this wallpaper in a software called Canva that you can sign up for free. I made this wallpaper so I could organize all my icons on my desktop. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to go here to download. I'm just going to leave it as a PNG, hit download. It'll take a second. I have all of my downloads saved directly to my desktop. I am going to find my file, which is right over here, and then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to put set as desktop background. And you can see it just overwrote what I had already had there. So what I am doing is I just organize all of my icons on my desktop. And it makes it easier to find stuff. So whenever I want to look for things and I know they're business related, I just go right to them wherever they are and put them in their designated folder on the desktop so I know how to address them. So I have my business stuff, things I'm working on, and personal. So that is how you can organize your desktop. If you have any questions, check me out at www.seasonalnavigation.com.